Over the past few years, I've added more and more smart devices into my house, from sensors and lights to automation hubs and displays. One of the latest upgrades has been in the living room, where we swapped out our regular blackout curtains for Weffort's motorized roller shades. In this review, I'll walk you through the ordering process, customization options, setup experience, and what it's been like using them. Weffort offers a lot of options to choose from, like drapery, outdoor shades, and a wide variety of indoor styles. You can choose from classic roller shades, light filtering shears, zebra shades, or go for the elegant look of the Roman and cellular designs. For those who want flexibility, they also offer dual shades that combine different blackout levels to suit changing needs throughout the day. The ordering process is straightforward but offers a huge amount of flexibility. What really caught our attention was how fast everything was done, especially considering these are fully customized blinds. We placed the order and within 3 days they were already shipped. 2 days after that, the box was at our doorstep. 5 days total for made-to-measure shades is honestly impressive and not something that we expected. For our setup, we went with the Bouvardia Blackout series in light grey. We decided to install 2 shades per window, giving us a bit more flexibility in general. We chose the cassette valance with a matching fabric for a cleaner, integrated look, paired with the standard bottom rod. The blinds are powered by battery motor, which is great for avoiding visible wiring, and we chose to have motor with the solar panels on the right hand side for all blinds. However, after installing the panels, we did regret the placement and came up with a solution on how to move them around to a more convenient place. Since the cable is relatively short, it is important to think carefully about where the motor will be placed, as it houses the charging and the power port. In our case, one set of blinds is installed over the balcony doors, so we've ordered an extension cable for one of the solar panels. With that in place, we were able to position the panel neatly at the far end, where it's out of the way and protected from the accidental damage. The solar panel's effectiveness really comes down to how much direct sunlight your window really receives. These windows get very little direct sun throughout the day, so there's gradual discharge. That said, the panel provides just enough trickle charge to stretch the battery life to about 3 or 4 months, which, all things considered, I'm perfectly happy with. To hide the panels, we set the blinds to stop around 20 cm from the top. Even though I do like the clean look of fully retracted blinds, but with the solar option I think the small adjustment improves the overall neatness. If you're managing multiple blinds and shades throughout your home and wish to operate them either individually or collectively using a tangible device, you can choose to get a 5 or 15 channel remote control. We love all things smart, so this remote control is going to be as a backup only. Weffort supports a wide range of smart ecosystems, and while the pairing process was far from seamless, it took close to an hour and countless presses of the pairing button to get all 4 shades connected. Once set up, they worked reliably and responded quickly to both remote and automation commands. In terms of performance, the noise levels are reasonable for living room space. When testing just one blind, it comes up to around 49 dBA, while all 4 together register around 53 dBA from a meter away. Lowering our 230 cm shades takes around 34 seconds, which feels like a good balance between speed and noise levels. There is also a hidden trick to fine-tune how fast the blinds move. By popping off the battery cover on the remote and pressing the small P button underneath, you unlock the speed adjustment mode. From there, you press up or down arrows to change the speed setting, with the motor giving you feedback throughout a series of quick jogs. We cranked ours up to the maximum, which brought the open or close time down to around 30 seconds. One limitation is that the blinds do not stop automatically if there's an obstacle in the way or if there's any kind of snag. This could potentially damage the fabric or motor if something blocks the path. At one point, we did notice that one of the blinds developed a strange noise during operation. So we contacted the support team for assistance, and they were quick to jump in and solve the issue. Luckily, the fix was pretty simple. We just took the shade down, opened it up and reassembled it. It involved removing 3 screws and took no more than 10 minutes. After that, the noise disappeared completely. Let's talk a bit more about automation. In our example, we want the blind to come down whenever the lights are on to provide privacy and stay down during the night. If it's before 6 p.m, once the light is turned off, the blind opens back up. After 6 p.m, if the blinds are down and the lights are off, it will stay closed until the morning. For the morning routine, we are utilizing the sensors in the kitchen to have them open up automatically but never waking us up too early. The automation is set for any time after 7 AM. If the blinds are down and there is movement in the kitchen, all the blinds will be triggered to open. This routine has become seamless and it's one of those quality of life improvements you quickly get used to. It's been also very useful on the weekends when we decide to binge watch TV shows during the day. With a single button press, our automation sets the lights, adjusts the AC, and now lowers the blinds to create our ideal viewing environment. Overall, these blackout roller shades delivered exactly what we were hoping for: a precise, custom fit, excellent privacy performance, and seamless integration with our existing smart home setup. While the pairing process could have been smoother and the obstacle detection would be a welcome addition, the overall experience has been very positive. They look fantastic, work reliably, and make living room feel more private and functional without any daily effort on our part. Thanks for watching. If you think these roller blinds might be what you need, check out the link below for more details. As always, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more. We'll see you in the next one.